This video I will share you listen more updates about Nairo coin because it's right now you can see this meme coin is pumped almost 700% here, and right now Binance has also listed this meme coin. So after Binance exchange listing announcement, this meme coin is pumped over 700% in past 24 hours. So this is amazing, and I already shared this meme coin with you I think 2 months ago. Okay, when this meme coin was newly launched, I have shared this meme coin with you, and its market cap was just $30 million only. But right now, you can see $140 million its market cap and more than 7x profit in just 24 hours. Because right now, I will also show you here. I can see in markets. Okay, Binance has listed this coin. Okay, Nairo is now listed on Binance. You can see Binance has listed this meme coin. Okay, so recently, Binance has listed. That's why this meme coin has made a massive pump here. Okay, and you can see it's all further details that right now it makes new all-time high. We are just 5% down this all-time high and 13,000% up in this all-time low. There was 2 months ago, so this is amazing. Coin has already killed 2 zeros since its launching. Okay, so this is awesome, friends. Okay, this is a dog theme meme coin on Ethereum chain. There are too many meme coins with this same name. Okay, Nairo on Solana, Nairo on Base, Nairo on ETH, but this is only Nairo coin. You can see it's the chain is Ethereum. You can also check out all further details here. 420 billion coin supply. Okay, and its holders are increased almost for 14% in last 24 hours. Okay, and nearly 12,000 holders. So this is awesome. On-chain market cap. You can check out all further details on Etherscan here. Okay, highest holding now have on Binance Exchange, Hobby Global, MEXC is holding, HTX is holding this meme coin. Okay, there are too many other wallets are also holding this coin, and Vitalik Buterin is also holding. That is Ethereum founder. Gateway Exchange is holding this meme coin. So this is awesome, friends. You can check out here. Okay, the most holding for this meme coin is on Binance Exchange, 70%. Okay, 17.2% Nairo coins are now holding by Binance Exchange. So this is awesome. It's all supplies in circulation. This is another good thing. Past 24 hour trading volume is $154 million. Okay, so this is crazy. Okay, awesome trading volume. But friends, right now has already pumped 700% here. So if you wanna purchase this meme coin, I will definitely tell you that okay, for a few hours or maybe few days, we can see a good dump again in this meme coin price. And when you again found this meme coin with 4 zeros here, then you can make a entry in this meme coin for long term, because definitely in long term this meme coin can give us still maybe 50 to 100x profit, because it's still market cap is just $140 million market cap. So if you compare current market cap with VIF coin, with Bong coin, with Flokino, with Pepe coin, then their market cap are in $1 billion, but still this market cap is just $140 million only. I will also purchase this meme coin when I found this meme coin under $100 million market cap. Then I will also make investment in this meme coin for long term. Okay, at least for next 10 to 15 months. Okay, but I'm definitely not going to buy this meme coin on this current market cap, its current price, because already pump here. Okay, but in long term, I think still this meme coin has potential to give us 50 to 100x profit, and still this market cap can goes in $1 billion, because newly launched meme coin just 2 months ago, this meme coin is launched here. Okay, and due to its massive hype right now on crypto market, so that's why Binance is also listed. So we can no ignore this dog theme meme coin. Okay, for this bullion, you can see Nairo, the half dog. Okay, you can also check out all further details on their website. Vitalik Buterin is also holding this meme coin, as I will show you in Etherscan. Okay, so that's why this meme coin has still potential to do amazing. Okay, you can see current market cap $145 million. But as I already told you that I will buy this meme coin under 100 to maybe $80 million market cap, because right now crypto market is again jumping. Maybe we can see good dump in this coin price also, and definitely because this price is right now pumped because of Binance listing. So after a few days we can see a good dump in this coin price, then we can buy this meme coin, okay, at low prices. And right now you can see this meme coin is also trending here. Okay, trending meme coins, Nairo, okay, Baby Dogecoin and Turbo. These three meme coins are right now listed on Binance. Binance is listed these three meme coins, so that's why these three meme coins are trending on CoinGecko. All other meme coins, Nairo on ETH and Get on ETH, these are meme coins that are trending on CoinGecko right now. So friends, as I already told you that this meme coin is now listed on Binance, and I think if you can purchase this meme coin under $100 million market cap, so in this mega bullion, definitely this market cap can goes up to 5 to maybe $10 billion. Okay, Nairo's market cap can still goes 5 to maybe $10 billion, and still this meme coin has potential to be the next 50 to 100x meme coin here. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.